Communication and journalism as a subject has emerged to be one of the most flourishing courses in the field of education, providing students opportunity to explore contemporary media learning and vast career opportunities. We, here at Salesian, offer our students a 3-year undergraduate program in mass communication and journalism affiliated to the latest CBCS curriculum from University of North Bengal. Our budding learners enjoy a wide array of activities ranging from paper presentations, seminars, to enhance one's communication and academic skills, as well as create quality contents like making films, drafting scripts, creating digital content, producing news capsules and radio programs.
नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका न्यूज़ 21 में। आपके साथ मैं हूं वंदना पांडे। आइए बुलेटिन की शुरुआत करते हैं इस वक्त की हेडलाइंस के साथ।
Our students also get internship opportunities with reputed news organizations such as India Today Group, Dainik Jagran, The Statesman, Bharat Darpan, Khabar Samay, and News at 9. A major highlight of our department would be the Salesian Times, an exclusive bi-monthly tabloid of Salesian College, Siliguri Campus, solely prepared and published by the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism with active participation from the students. We also organize annual short film and photography competition on various themes for the entire student community in the college to amplify their creative learning. Students excelling in the university exams by securing top grades and positions year after year and also participating in both intra and inter-college events exposes them to an environment of tough competition, amplifying their creativity and widening their horizons in the field of digital photography, videography, filmmaking, and editing. The department also regularly schedules guest lectures, seminars, industry trips, and media workshops for the holistic development of students. We welcome all aspiring learners to the 3-year course to explore the endless opportunities waiting beyond college life to either pursue higher studies or secure a prospective career in media and communication.